Himemaru. Can you say it?
Himemaru.
No, Himemaru.
Now we're waiting for the Chinese food.
It's Japanese, babe.
Japanese. It's Japanese cooker tea. This girl is Japanese. You better cook right. Because someone's gonna die that cook had.
What's up, SV Squad, and welcome back to another video.
With your boy Georgie.
Your girl Victoria reviewing Japanese candy. And I just want to thank a loyal subscriber, Sharon, for sending this in to us. She didn't want her last name to be disclosed, but thank you so much. Apparently she just got it from her local Asian store up in Sydney. But thank you, we're so grateful for you sending it in. And just a reminder to everyone else, if you want us to review some candy or some type of food, we've got a PO box. The details are down below in the description box. So I'll let you start first, honey. Okay, so if you don't want to go first, then I'll go first.
You go first.
This one is Meiji brand, Meiji biscuit. It's I'll show you the packaging. I used to be able to read Japanese. Ko, su. Yeah, I can't remember.
Uko su si. I used to read Japanese.
Yeah.
Yeah. I used to read Japanese.
What the heck? You only get 3?
Uko si.
You only get 3 cookies in this big box? Are you joking me? Oh my gosh. It looks so good. No. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Yummo.
It's not look so good. It's like a cream. Cream?
Oh my gosh, it's green tea filling. I give that a 6 out of 10.
I give it 3 out of 10.
Okay.
We try another one. We try a strawberry. Yeah, the Pocky strawberry. Boxy. Pocky. In Chinese, it's like Hokaki Yoki. Yeah, you know, guys, I used to speak Chinese before. Oh, it's like a stick.
Oh my gosh, it smells so beautiful.
Yeah, it smells like strawberry.
I've never had these ones with the lumps in it. Rich taste, real strawberry. And we'll be having this one. I give this a 10 out of 10.
That one was 9 out of 10.
I don't know. What are these?
Daifuku. Daifuku. Daifuku?
I don't know if this is like the same as a mochi. It's strawberry and melon flavored. I never tasted one of these before, I think. It doesn't smell like anything. Oh my gosh, I like it. These are so nice. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see it? Why did you just eat the strawberry one? Why didn't you eat the melon one? I'm saving this one. It's like a weird texture. I've never tasted anything like this. It's like dry jelly. That's the easiest way I can explain it. It's got like some sort of filling inside.
Yeah. We try another one.
Thank you so much, Sharon. Daifuku.
We try this one, the Japanese cookies. It's like a Japanese cookies.
What flavor? It says, Hajimemashite, konnichiwa, oshi stinky. It says, arigato. Yeah, arigato.
Suzuki.
Oh, what? Everything's packaged. Looks like one of those mushroom balls. You know those mushroom biscuits? The ginger biscuits, sorry. That's weird.
Smells like smoke.
No, it doesn't smell like smoke. What do you mean tastes like smoke? I can't even describe it.
It tastes like smoke.
It's like a green tea biscuit. I don't know what's up with them in this green tea, but inside is like taro mashed. It does not even look like the photo. What the heck? Matcha azuki cake. Yeah, I don't really like that. Oh, Japanese rice crackers. Himemaru. Himemaru. Can you say it?
Himemaru.
No, himemaru.
It sounds like Japanese. Sounds like
I did Japanese for 7 years, and I got A. So I don't know what else he's talking about. And then when I was in year 9, we got to choose our own subjects. That's when I didn't choose Japanese, and I lost it.
Himemaru.
I'm sure you can get these at like Woolies and stuff. It's like a rice cracker.
Oh, that's nice. Next one, we try the
Cream Colin.
It's like asu fahau. If you are Japanese, yeah, you should know this one. Asu fahau. Look, it's like a tiny sausage roll.
I'll get my own things.
That's nice.
Okay, the next one that I'm going to open, I think I've seen something similar on YouTube. Someone was doing this box. It's like you make it yourself. I don't know anything that's on this box. Look at these things. And it's got like all these instructions on the back, which is all in Japanese. Oh my gosh, you have to make it. You have to cut this. Can you get the scissors, babe?
Lots of work. Lots of work.
Hold on. I think it was Bretman Rock that I saw doing this.
We do it later. We just finish all this stuff and then we do it later and show you guys.
Oh, babe.
No, we're not gonna do this time. It's gonna take long. We try this one. It's called Hello Panda. Biscuit with milk flavor filling. Looks so cute.
I always get these. Strawberry flavored.
It's like a monkey ball. Now you get the monkey boy.
This next thing that I'm trying is Tomomasu, Iniro, Hojun, Hakuto, Cider. That's the packaging. It's very pretty. Apparently it's like a peach cider. It's got a peach. Whoa. Oh, it smells so yummy. Peach. I like it. It tastes like peach juice, but fizzy.
So guys, now we're waiting for the Chinese food.
It's Japanese, babe.
Japanese. It's Japanese cooker tea. This girl is Japanese. You better cook right. Because someone's gonna die that cook had. If I don't let them fuck on my food, what do you matter? Fuck on my inga made it to buy that. I'm Balahan,
yeah. Look at Aussie's one. You ready, guys?
Ah!
I can't. That was the most putridest thing ever. I spent so much time doing that for nothing. Okay, I really did not understand the point in that. The taste wasn't that bad. It was only because I saw it, how it was made, and it was just like powder with water and somehow formed that mushy dough that's meant to be a donut. I think I've tasted this before when we went to Singapore.
Kit Kat.
It's a Kit Kat. Green tea Kit Kat. I don't know why these Japanese people love green tea. I like it.
I don't like it.
I can taste white chocolate in there somewhere. Okay guys, well that's it for our review. Thank you so much for watching and making it this far. Please, if you like it, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Turn on post notifications, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below how you think we went. And if you want to send us through more candy to review, or you want us to review a certain candy, comment them down below and we'll see if we can get them. Otherwise, that's it from us, guys. We hope that you have a great day and keep on the lookout for more videos to come. Bye guys.